Hi! Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.
Hello health nuts! Welcome to The Hungry Gypsy. If you're new here, please click that big red subscribe button right underneath the video and also click that bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today we are going to make something that every chicken and sandwich lover absolutely loves. Yes, we are going to make a classic grilled chicken sandwich. One thing that makes chicken sandwich so yummy is mayonnaise. But unfortunately, it's also the one thing that is the most unhealthy and fattening in a chicken sandwich recipe. But we are health nuts, so we are going to make this chicken sandwich without any mayonnaise. We'll be using a very healthy substitute and it'll taste just the same, maybe even a tad bit better. So to start off, I have some chicken with bones here that I'm going to marinate with some ginger garlic paste, some lemon juice and some salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix it really nicely and I'm gonna cover it and keep it on the countertop for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the chicken is marinated, I'm just going to throw it in a pressure cooker along with some sliced onions and some crushed garlic. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Next, just add in about 2 cups of water, put the lid on and let it cook in pressure cooker for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't want to go through the whole process of steaming the chicken, you can also use some leftover chicken that you may have made previously, or you can use some store-bought rotisserie chicken also. Now while the chicken is cooking, let's go ahead and make our mayonnaise substitute. So to make this, we are going to need some Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can make hung curd at home. And how do you make hung curd? Literally by hanging the curd. Just take your regular natural curd or yogurt, wrap it in a cotton or a muslin cloth and hang it over a sink so that all the liquid and all the whey gets removed and you're left with a Greek style yogurt or hung curd. So here I'm taking about 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, to which I'm going to add some salt, some red chili powder and some sugar. All the measurements will be in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add some grated garlic to it. Now, I love garlic a little too much, so I have taken about 3 cloves of garlic here. If that's too overpowering for you, use 1 or 2. Next, I'm adding some Dijon mustard here. To this, I'm also adding a handful of chopped green onions. And now I'm just going to give it a good mix and your mayonnaise substitute is ready. And once the chicken is cooked and cooled, I'm just going to shred all the chicken flesh and then I'm going to add it to our sauce. Mix it all well and your filling is ready. Doesn't this look delicious? With this as base, you can even make a chicken salad, but that's for another day. Today we are making a chicken sandwich, so let's go ahead and toast our breads. I'm using some 100% wholemeal breads here and I got this new grill pan which I'm totally in love with. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on one side of the bread and I'm just going to grill one side of it. If you don't want to grill your bread, you can have it just like that. It's just that I got this new grill pan and I got to show off, so yeah, let's grill our bread. And once the bread is grilled, I'm just going to top it up with loads and loads of filling and then cut it in triangles. And your guilt-free chicken sandwich is ready. I hope you liked this video and I hope you give this recipe a try. Do let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. I have loads of other cool and easy recipes and some beauty DIYs and lots of meal plans on my channel. Go check them out. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.